behavior of MOSFET. Dynamic behavior of MOSFET is also called switching characteristics of MOSFET. MOSFET has three terminals. One is a gate, and another one is a drain, and another one is source. And MOSFET is also voltage control devices, and also output voltage can be controlled by VGS. MOSFET has two types major. One is a N channel MOSFET and another one is a P channel MOSFET. And another type of power MOSFET, depletion MOSFET, enhanced MOSFET. Most of the type N channel MOSFET has used for this circuit diagram. In this N channel MOSFET has three terminals. One is a drain, and another one is a source, and another one is a gate. And it also consists of N plus substrate, N minus substrate, P substrate, and another one silicon dioxide. Just of all, working principle of power MOSFET, when the drain to source voltage is made with respect to positive, at the time gate is under open condition or no supply is given to the gate, MOSFET in off state. MOSFET is under off state. When another type of gate to another type of source to drain voltage is made positive, gate is given supply, the gate will be automatically turn on. The main process of switching characteristics has been explained below in this diagram. The first one is here. When the gate to source voltage is given to the MOSFET, this diagram represents both the turn on process and another one turn off process. This diagram represents drain characteristics. First of all, there will be two types of process. One is here turn on process, and another one is here turn off process. The turn on process is T on equal to TDN plus TR. That is T on equal to turn on time, TN means delay time, TR means rise time. From this diagram he represents, this is a TDN, this is a TDR. Total sum of TDN plus TR equal to T on. That is TDN means delay time, that is TR means rise time. And next of all, T off equal to TDF plus TF. TDF means turn off delay time, TF means fall time. In this process, TDF means capacitor discharge, TF also capacitor discharge. In turn on process, capacitor charges. Rising time also capacitor charges. Finally, the summary of this MOSFET dynamic behavior, switching characteristics means two type of process. One is a turn on process and another one is a turn off process. Simply we remember T on equal to TDN plus TR. Just in this process, turn on process, the capacitor as initially charges, and turn off process, capacitor will be discharges. The two processes has been made type places. Finally, we conclude T on equal to TDN plus TR. In this process, capacitor charges. T off equal to TDF plus TF. In this process, capacitor discharge has been take places. Thank you.